I do not want to be going to school right now. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Monday and it is the first day of my 2 weeks of mock exams. I thought I would vlog the first week because I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see it, and like 95% of you guys said yes, and there's no way I'm vlogging my actual finals, so I figured this was the only opportunity that I could do another exam week in my life video. This morning I have my English and then I have my first bio paper. I don't want to do English. It's my worst subject and I hate it. But I mean, there's nothing I can do. It's fine. Positivity. If I mess this up, it's okay because it doesn't go on my transcript or anything like that, so it really doesn't matter. It's just supposed to be practice for my finals. Anyway, we're like 10 minutes away from school. My exam starts at 8:15 and it's 7:30 right now. So I'm just going to read through some of my last minute notes that I have just to refresh my mind a little bit. Let's get into it. 10 minutes to go.
What?
Okay, we're going up to drop off our bags. Do we have to walk up? Can we take the elevator?
We're gonna get in trouble today.
Okay.
And the elevator's full of
Oh. Okay, it's like 2 hours later. We started English late, but it was okay. I thought it went all right.
Cute.
Thank you. We're now gonna go up for bio with multiple choice, which is okay. I'd rather have multiple choice than any of the other papers.
Yeah, true.
I don't want to do the one tomorrow. The one about like experiments or whatever, like the practical one. No, me neither. Whatever. Okay, bio's done. She's very happy about it. Overall, not too bad. We're now gonna go grab lunch because it's like 12:30, and then we're going to her place to study. Yay! Oh my god, I'm so full. Okay, so it turns out Nads actually couldn't have me at her house, so instead I'm gonna go to the National Library here in Singapore. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the MRT right now. 3 minutes away. Oh my god, it's so hot and I don't know where I am. Do you have quotes for Herrmann's too? Yeah, do you want them? Yes. Can you share? Yeah. I'm struggling to keep my eyes open. It's 5 o'clock now. I gave up on doing work, so I'm going home. I'm so tired. Oh my god. I'm supposed to upload tonight. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Okay, it's fine. I'm almost done with the video. Okay, I got this. Yay! Like 4 hours later, my video just went up, and I managed to finish before 12. So that's a record for me. I can't decide if I should go through my notes one more time or just go to bed. Because I'm already up late anyway. If I lose 30 more minutes, it should be okay, right? I don't know. I'm gonna head to bed now, and I will see you tomorrow for my second English and my second bio exams. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Fuck this shit. Okay, English is done. I absolutely failed it. That was horrible. It's okay. I almost cried during the exam. But we're gonna pull through. Hello. We're doing last minute cramming, but it is not working. It'll be fine! Okay, we have to go up now. I'll see you after. You look so preppy with your little sweater.
Yeah, it's so cute. Look at his bum. Look at that butt.
Bio's done. It went pretty well, so I'm really happy. We're now walking across the street to go get some lunch because I'm starving. I'm excited to eat my noodles.
Oh, you should tell them how it like.
Got my bubble tea. Just
We have to go.
okay, we have to go.
Lydia.
It's so quiet. I'm scared. I'm back at school now. I'm gonna stay for another like 2-ish hours to go over some stuff. And then I'm gonna go home and take a nap. I'm in these whiteboard booths that our school has. So I can write on the whiteboards to make notes and stuff, which is why I like staying here. Let's do it. Already, it's a couple hours later. I'm gonna head home. First cry of the vlog. Oh. I'm feeling a bit down right now because I feel like I worked quite hard for these exams and I'm just not walking out of the exam hall feeling as confident as I should be. Obviously for me these exams don't matter, but it's just kind of disheartening because I feel like I spent so much of my break last week just studying and then now I'm not doing as well as I thought I would. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna get off my ass and try and do a little bit more. Okay, it's like 10 o'clock right now. Apparently you absorb information the best right before you go to bed, so I'm just gonna go through everything really quickly and then I think I'm gonna go to sleep. I feel like I won't be able to fall asleep tonight because tomorrow is my birthday and I'm turning 18. Unfortunate that it had to fall into this exam week, but it's still exciting because when I'm 18, I'm gonna be legal here in Singapore. So I can finally legally drink. Okay, it's freaking me out. I'm not gonna think about it. Let's read some bio.
Let Emily hold on. Mother, get out.
Happy birthday to.
My parents are so cute. They bought balloons. Happy 18th. And obviously. Okay, we made it to school. I got to school and Mads wrote me a little note. And Vanessa gave me her last mint.
Listen, I was stressed. I was crying last night, okay? This is the best I could do.
It's okay, I appreciated it. Okay, we have bio now. Let's kill it! We're going up for bio. I mean, no we're not.
So again.
We're going up for econs now. This is not about to be good, but I'll just do what I can do. Yay! I got out of the exam. I'm now about to go get lunch. We're getting pizza, which I'm really excited about. Yay! This is so much bigger than I thought it would be.
We have our hands tied. They treat us like we're.
Okay, we're in a cab now. We're heading over to mine. I'm meeting a couple of my other friends there and we're just gonna chill for a bit. I have a dinner at 7 and it's 3 o'clock now, so we can just like chill at mine until like 6:30 and then I have to leave. We're like 5 minutes away, so we'll be there soon.
I swear to God. Wait.
You can open it to the very end. Sweetheart, don't cry.
Cheers, baby.
My first glass of champagne ever!
Woohoo! Ever.
My mom put together a box with all like my childhood toys and then like old photos and stuff. And we found my first diary from when I was first learning English.
Oh no, this is not German.
That's Swedish.
This is Finnish.
My birthday is on the 5th February.
His name is
Ansel.
We're underestimated and boxed in. All judgmental labels spread us thin. We can run. You'll be my safety. We can run away to
I'm trying to figure out what to wear for tonight's dinner. I'm thinking this. I don't know if I like it or not. Whatever. I'll just get ready, do my makeup, and then I'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, makeup is done. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna stick with this outfit. I don't really know what else to wear. This is it. Don't mind the bio up there.
Escape reality. Escape reality. Oh, we
They have this little photo booth area set up here. Wow. We're gonna take like a little gif here with the rest of the fam. Now do something different.
Send it to me.
Good job. I'll forward it to you. I am so exhausted. Today was such a long day, so I'm excited to head to bed. I will see you guys tomorrow. I think that's gonna be the last day I vlog. We will see. I'm gonna go to bed now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, that's good.
Dirty. So you really don't need to.
Yeah. Okay. We're going up. Finished econs. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, so that's good. I'm so glad like this week of exams is over now because I had like all my worst subjects. So next week I just have math and German, which should be fine. Anyway, I'm gonna go get myself some lunch because I'm starving. Haven't had salad in a minute, so yay. Fun fact, our school found a beehive down there, so now people aren't allowed to go there anymore. Okay, it's like 2 o'clock now. I'm with B. She has a migraine. She got a migraine after her exam, so sis is struggling. So we're going home now. I just chilled for a bit. I'm gonna go home and I think I'm gonna edit this video. Pray that she feels better. I'm being environmentally friendly today. I brought my own cup. Okay, time for me to head home. I'm waiting for the MRT so that I can leave. Oh, there's so many people. Sorry. As you can tell, I'm back home. I just fell into a deep hole of watching old Justin Bieber music videos of when he was like 15. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing this because it's fun. I wasted too much time watching Justin Bieber videos, so I'm now attempting to get my productivity in. I have absolutely no exams tomorrow, so you have no idea how excited I am to sleep in. Yay, I can finally catch up on my sleep. Final, why's my toilet making noises? Final step of the night, retainer. Good night, guys. So cute. My mom made me an acai bowl to eat in bed. I will be here. I'm gonna end the vlog off here because I don't have any exams today and I'm basically just chilling at home. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit of a mess just because I was stressed and it was hard to vlog consistently throughout the week. But I hope it was entertaining anyway. As always, I'm going to try and get this video up as soon as possible. I love you guys all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Also, I finally hung something else up on my wall, so please be proud of me.